Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's another brand new day. It's a beautiful day, though it looks so cloudy as if it's gonna rain. Can you say morning faves?
Morning, faves.
Where are we going? Yes. No, we're going to school down. The school up, we only go to that school on a Wednesday. On a Wednesday. Only Papa go to that school with you and Mama pick you up, right?
Okay.
Right? But this morning we're going to the other school. We're going to the school down.
Okay.
Right? And you're going to be a good boy at school today?
Up school.
Huh?
Up school.
What happened?
Up school.
No, up school is on Wednesday. He goes to two school. That's why he's saying go to school up, because his Wednesday school is another direction. Anyway, you guys, this morning I'm dropping Tyler at school as usual, doing my routine, and then I have to go to the head office to sign some papers and get some stuff done before I head back home, though I don't have work until later in the evening. But I have to go in to get some stuff done this morning. That's what's up right now. I'm a little bit rested from all the tiredness of yesterday, but it's a brand new day, so let's focus on today. Let's bring on the positive vibes and let's just roll with the punches of today and get everything done that we set out to accomplish for today. And hope you guys all have the same mindset. Just stay positive, stay in your zone. Don't linger around negative people. Do what you gotta do to make you happy. Do what you gotta do to make you accomplish your goals that you set out to accomplish for today. Yeah, make sure you guys get your workout in. I'm not so sure about that with me today, but let's see. I'm just gonna roll with the punches of today because I have a lot to get done. But first, let's do what I have to do this morning, and is dropping Nugget to school and head off to the head office. So see you guys later. It's raining a bit, but I have to show you a shot of this view on the promenade. It's so calm. Well, the water doesn't look so calm, but the view itself looks so calm and peaceful. Of course, a lot of people out here doing sports and jogging and swimming. You have people still swimming at this time, though it's a little bit windy and a little bit chilly, but that's the promenade right now. However, I have things to do, so I'm gonna go across this road and head to the head office to get some stuff done. Ooh, and it's on red, but I'm gonna make it. Anyway, you guys, stop at the supermarket and getting lemon and honey because Tyler is having a cough and I am having a cough, so this never fails, and I'm out of those, so I need these. My house is literally echoing. You guys, I'm back off the road, and ever since I got back, I've been just organizing my chaotic space. And there goes the fresh kitchen that I did yesterday, that we did yesterday, because babe also helped me while I was painting. He held down taking care of Tyler, and ironing all the clothes. He ironed all the clothes yesterday. I am honestly happy that I have a husband that helped me along the way to do everything. But kitchen is fresh, and I wiped the floor this morning, so it's all clean. Though in the future this floor is gonna be gone and we're going to do wooden floors, so the house is gonna be chaos. It's gonna be chaos in the house again at some point to do that, but when that time comes, we'll figure it out room by room. But right now I just kind of organize back this little space, that way we can still feel a bit homey. The good thing that I am happy that I did was cook some food, because when I'm hungry I just pop things in the microwave and I'm done. Okay, I don't have to worry about cooking. As a matter of fact, where would I cook? But anyway, that's done. But what the effect that it's having on us right now, especially me, is that I completely forget how strong paint can smell. And I didn't remember that this paint was smelling this strong, because when we were painting we didn't move in here as yet, so I didn't have to deal with all this smell. But man, this smell in here is strong. And also all these lighting is going to change. All this ugly ass bulb is gonna be gone. All this chandelier looking thing behind me is gonna be gone, because first and foremost, it's not that all of them is even ugly, it's just that some of them didn't install properly. So we're gonna do that also. So you know how house renovation goes, there's always something to do. But of course we'll take you guys along with us throughout it all. But right now it's time for the kitchen. Today though, I don't have anything much to do with the kitchen, but tomorrow is going to be a delivery day. So when tomorrow comes, you have to watch tomorrow vlog to see what will be coming for the kitchen tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, I am going to just pop a container out of the fridge and pop it into the microwave and try and get a little rest before I continue, because I'm not feeling so well and I have to leave the door open because this paint needs to air out. I'm not even going to show you how in front of me is looking right now, because it's a hot mess with some of the cupboards and just some of the things that we threw out is out there from the kitchen. So I'm not even going to show you that. But hopefully you guys are having a good day though. Hopefully you guys are staying amazing. I'm gonna pop into my fridge and pop out some food, okay? So let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny, moo. What should I have for lunch today? Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna have lunch right now. Quinoa or rice? Chicken or shrimp? Which one? Anyway, lunchtime. You guys haven't seen me all day. It was just a long, busy day. I didn't get a chance to pick up the camera for 1 second. But say hello, Faves.
Hello.
Faves.
Hello. Hi, Faye.
You guys, I'm gonna give him a bath right now and just chit chat with you guys while I'm giving him a bath. Come up. You guys, today has been night phase. I'm going to make him some honey and lemon and send him off to bed. And I'm gonna have some myself. Move your hand. Remove your hand. Ty, I'm gonna sit on your hand. You guys, I did so much today. I was so tired. It's like all the work from over the weekend just came down on me all at once today, and I'm like, no, I need to step on the break and take a little nap. Oh, you gonna touch you? Hide up. You can't brush your teeth like that. So I took a nap. I got Tyler from school. I went to work. I got so much done today. but I am now getting him ready for bed. So I'm just gonna put him down for bed, and then Babe and I will chit chat with you guys and catch you guys up on some stuff in a bit. Tell Faves night night.
Night, Faves.
Ella, come to the notification shout out. The notification shout out goes to Verna Comrie. Comrie. Say thanks for watching. Thanks Verna for watching. We love you. Always see you down in the comment section. Appreciate every single minute that you watch. Lots of love. We love you. And we're taking a bath, and then what we're doing? Going to bed. Since I didn't get to vlog much today, I decided that I'm gonna give you guys a topic that I saw on the Jamaican news, in the Jamaican newspaper. Like I told you, there's a section in the Jamaican newspaper called Dear Pastor, and Dear Pastor is like people, real people write in to this person and tell them their problem and their issues that they're having, whether with marriage, whether with friend, but most things about marriage. So this one caught my attention. What?
Which paper is newspaper?
The Jamaica Star. We have two different, Jamaica Star and Jamaica Observer. We have Gleaner too. We have more than one, but Jamaica Star is the one that Dear Pastor come in. Okay. And this one that caught my eye. I'm gonna read it and tell you what it says, and then Babe and I are gonna discuss it and give your opinion. So this one says, Dear Pastor, I am 50 years old, and to be honest with you, I hardly have sex with my husband. PG-16, PG-18. So if your kid watching, this is the time to send them away. She said, I'm 50 years old, and to be honest with you, I hardly have sex with my husband. Not that I am a bad wife or I am cheating, but my husband doesn't make me feel like a woman. He doesn't know how to make love and to have sex. As soon as I lie down, he is done. I told him that I am tired and I'm tired of that type of behavior from him. So we should live like brothers and sisters. I am a Christian. I don't believe in cheating. What should I do? I find this funny. And if you guys reach to this part of the vlog and don't watch all of it, this had nothing to do with me and my husband. Disclaimer: my husband satisfies moi. Okay, I have nothing to do with me. I'm happy, and I'm sure he is. Aren't you, honey? Anyways, that's kind of weird. What would you do, honey?
If I was the woman?
Yeah. What would you? Would you left the man?
No, she says she's a Christian. So
she says she's a Christian, and she thinks they should live as brothers and sisters.
Well, she made a choice, but the only thing in the thing she's talking like in the present. And like the man always been like this.
Exactly. So she waited this long
that's
to
my
realize.
Concern. Maybe it's just the past, the time that she using.
No, but she sounds like he's always like
she
that.
She sounds like he always like this.
Right. But if I don't cut you, but if I were her, what I would do is teach him what I like. Then you see what I mean? If she said, as she laid down, he's finished, then teach him other ways of satisfying her, or teach him how to make her be satisfied. If she don't want to, if she's tired of his ways, teach him. Men are trainable, you know.
No, it's well, I won't say there's a lot of way that do. There's like two way. It's like you stay with the man, you leave the man.
I would leave him.
She won't.
I don't think
she
I would
won't leave
him.
She say it in in the thing, so she won't leave him. So she have to walk about.
But obviously she's not happy.
Yeah, so she have to walk about being happy, like making it the way she want, or living as brother sister. She said,
but live as
like,
brother and sister.
yeah,
What she mean by live as brother and sister?
That, like,
in the Christian way.
Yeah, I mean, she's just desperate. She don't want that. She just said,
yeah, but living as brother and sister as Christian means she's going to leave him.
No.
So how she going to live as brother and sister?
Because she says she's not going to leave. She's not going to cheat on the person.
Yeah, but the part where she says she live as brother and sister, what does she mean by live as brother and sister?
She not going to leave him. She not going to cheat on him.
No, but that's not cool.
She say she not going to go. So she have.
Well, in that case, then she needs to leave him and let him go and find somebody who.
She says she's a Christian and don't believe in that. So our only like option is to stay with the man. So either she make it the way she wanted,
or stay with him and live as brother and sister.
Right. She rather do that than leave.
I see what you mean.
So no, she have to walk. She have to talk.
No, but the man, she also need to think about the man. He needs to be satisfied too. So
then
live as brother and sister for the rest of his life? No, sir.
No, but they also need to talk together.
That's true.
No, because like you say, he need to be satisfied. So obviously, when he's satisfied, well, if he's satisfied, she's not. So she have to find a way to be satisfied while the other one also satisfied. So
poor husband. Oh gosh.
Oh, poor Bob.
You guys.
No, that's not only a
It's
husband.
the way you say
it. The wife don't look happy, and the man, you don't have
that's
the man
true.
sometimes.
Yeah,
the man also have his reason.
That's true. Anyway, you guys, comment down below and let us know what would you guys do, or what would you guys do in a case like this if it was you? What would you do? Would you live as brother and sister, or would you train him the way you want him to be?
Or would you leave him?
Or would you leave him?
What you gonna do?
Me personally?
Mm-hmm.
It's mixed. I wouldn't leave him. I don't know. It's hard for me to say I would leave him. To look at from her point of view. I would train him. That's what I would say.
Yeah.
I would train him the way I want him to be.
Yeah. I think that's the same.
And I think men are very much trainable. So I would train him the way I want him to be. Anyway, you guys, that's it for this little discussion from our Jamaican news, our Jamaican Dear Pastor, which I enjoy reading. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little much from today's vlog. It wasn't much because your girl was just tired today. Trust me, I was out of it. But back tomorrow is a brand new day. So we love you guys. Tyler already give you guys a notification shout out. And just knowing I was laughing, I said no sir. That's the Jamaican expression for today. No sir. No sir. Jamaicans say no sir a lot for a lot of things. And you guys can go and see the example which I used it.
Well, I'm gonna give you a French word. It's just oui ou non. Is yes or no. That's just to say that no in French is very close to.
But you guys don't normally say
line.
no, like no. It don't sound like no, like that. So like no.
In France?
Yeah, so like no.
No.
Right, you hear it sound different from my no?
No.
You see? It sounds completely different from my no. Anyway, you guys.
Say it.
No.
You have to make it sound
right.
singing.
French.
No.
Right. It sounds completely different from my no. Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and turn on the notification bell. Catch up and keep up. We'll see you guys tomorrow.